Next battle is for Shark Edge right here. And yeah, I think I should have first the Grand Sword. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Go, shoot! Whoa! Shark Edge is aggressive, but yeah, that's not a good extreme dash. Oh! Ring out! That's nice, Shark Edge. Yeah, Shark Edge is really nice on those kind of attacks. Just knock them. So you can see those contact points right there. And yeah, the contact points for Shark Edge right here becomes more and more pointed because of the battles that they have already. So you can see it becomes more pointed and sharp. Wow, maybe it can really cut some blades.